Hey everyone, welcome back to MLWorks. In this video, we'll start off with a new series on AI agent monitoring and evaluation. So as part of this series, we'll be focusing on three tools like MLflow, LangChain and Ollama, where MLflow is where you will be capturing your LLM traces. LangChain is the framework for building your AI agents, and Ollama is the open source LLM provider through which you can download the LLM and run it locally. So as part of this series, we'll follow a very simple workflow, which is we'll be first creating an LangChain agents, which is integrated with Ollama LLMs, and then we'll be auto tracing all the LLM calls through MLflow, and that will be tracked through the UI, which is running as a server on the local host 6001. So this is one part, and then comes our evaluation scorer, where we'll be evaluating the responses generated by the LLM. We'll be quantifying the results on sample basis, and will also generate the aggregate metrics as well. So now coming to the prerequisite, first thing is you have to ensure that you are using Python 3.10 and above, and you have installed the Ollama and it is running as a backend service. And you also have to download the LLM, which is Qwen 3.5 0.8 billion parameter model. And you will also have to create the virtual environment inside which you will be installing all the packages and dependencies that are required for running all these tasks. So on this side, we have different commands through which you can understand the Python version, how you can run the Ollama as a backend service, and how you can download a model. So once you have created the virtual environment, then you have to install all the necessary dependencies with the help of requirements.txt. Once that is done, then you have to start the MLflow server. So since I am using a Mac machine, I am providing the port as 6001 because default 5000 port is been allocated to some other application. So I'll be using port 6001. If you are not giving host and port, then your MLflow server will run on port 5000. Next comes the tutorial structure. So as part of this series, we'll be first understanding the basic chaining and auto tracing through MLflow, and then we'll be creating a React agent with tools, and we'll be creating rule-based custom scorer, which is nothing but evaluation of your LLM responses. In part 4, we'll have LLM as judge, for which we'll be making use of different local Ollama models. In part 5, we'll be discussing about production style monitoring loop, and in part 6, we'll be discussing about the RAG pipeline evaluation. Now let's start with our first part of this series, which is basic tracing. So here the core concept is mlflow.langchain.autolog, through which we'll be tracing the LLM calls. So this specific line is a single line that instruments every LangChain runnable automatically, and each chain.invoke call creates a trace in MLflow UI, which is the server running on 6001. So we'll be showing prompt template and rendered prompt, and we'll be seeing the LLM response, and we'll also look at the wall clock latency, which is the amount of time taken for getting the response. And this is the core code which will be used for making the call to the LLM and auto log the traces. And what you will see in the UI is the experiment LangChain Ollama basic, and you will be running basic chain demo with 3 traces, 1 per question. Now let us go and understand the basic tracing script, which is present here. So let me go here. So this is the prerequisite where we want to ensure that Ollama is running, and we have downloaded this model, and we have our MLflow UI running on port 6001. Now then, to run the script, we have to use Python 3, which is part of your virtual environment. So the first part of the script is to import all the necessary modules, which is MLflow, Ollama LLM from LangChain Ollama, and then to have prompt template through which you will be sending user prompt along with the user query. So the first step is to set the tracking URI. This is nothing but your MLflow server URI, where you are running your MLflow server, And then we start with our new experiment, which is LangChain Ollama basic. And then we start with our auto logging here, MLflow.langchain.autolog. And then comes our initialization of LLM, where we use Ollama LLM from LangChain Ollama. And here we set our model, which is Qwen 3.50.8b, which is the 0.8 billion parameter model. And then we set the base URL of our Ollama server. So if you go to the browser and search for this specific URL, port 11434, you will see Ollama server is up and running. And then we set the temperature parameter as 0.1, which means that we'll be focusing on more deterministic result rather than the creative version of the LLM. And once you have initialized the LLM, then you have to initialize the prompt. So with the help of prompt template dot from template, we send the template as answer the following question in one short sentence followed by the question. And then we create the chain with the help of prompt followed by LLM. And here then we start with our MLflow start run, where we set the run name as basic chain demo, and we set the questions as what is the capital of France, who invented the telephone, what is 15 multiplied by 7. These are the different questions that we want to generate the response for. And we iterate over these questions and we make the call to the chain, which is the chain dot invoke, and we send the question, we generate the response, which will be printed here. And finally we'll be printing this specific statement. Now this is the basic script for tracing. First thing what you have to do is go to terminal and run the MLflow server. So if I just maximize this, clear this, first let me just do Ollama list such that you can see the different models that are present in my local machine. So I have Qwen 3.5 0.8 billion parameter model in my system. Now I'll clear this. Now I have to switch to the Python environment, which is shows Python -env bin activate. Close this. We'll have to start the MLflow server. I'll be saying port 6001. So this will start the MLflow server in the backend running on port 6001. Now let me go to the browser, go to new window, type in localhost 6001. So here we don't have any experiment for now. So let me go back to the IDE here, go here and go to the terminal, and again go back to the virtual environment, Python env bin activate. Let me clear this, maximize this. Yeah. Now what we can do is just type in, or first let us switch to this specific folder, which is MLOps project beginners, and then LangChain Ollama MLflow. Now we can start with our script, which is basic around basic 01 basic tracing. So let me run this. Now it will automatically integrate the Ollama model with the LangChain through this Ollama LLM, and then it will generate the response for all these different questions, and it will be automatically logged into your MLflow server. So if you notice here, this is the response for the first question. What is the capital of France? The capital of France is Paris. And it will iteratively go and run this specific question, get the response, then it will go to this specific question and it will generate the response. So the type of questions you have, based on that it will be taking time to get the response. So let us wait for all the three questions, what is the response. Now while this is happening, let me go to the browser here, and okay, you can see the experiment now. Click this one and you will notice there are two traces and the latency is 3.63, and this is percentile latency, which is 50% of the request took 3.63 seconds, P90 is the 90 percentile of the request took 6.53 seconds, and P99 is the 99 percentile of latency, which is 7.18 seconds. Now this is the response, or this is the traces for the calls that have been happening with the LLM. Now let us go to this one, quality. We'll see here we don't have anything here coming up. We also don't have any tool calls. Let us go to the observability, under which we'll go to the traces. So if you notice here, let me go back to the IDE, you will notice that for this specific question, it gave a response which is empty. And for this specific question, which is 15 multiplied by 7, it generated the response 105, which is correct. You can view the experiment here, and you can run basic chain demo at this specific section, and run is complete. Yeah, that's it. We are done with our execution of the script. Let me go to the MLflow here. Now these are the different traces. So this is the first one. It took around 7.253 seconds. And this specific question, where it generated an empty response, it took around 53 seconds. And for this specific question, it generated the response in 7.5 seconds. Okay, let me go to this specific request, inside which we'll be getting the input. This is the response. And let me click this one, details and timeline. And here you can notice the prompt template that was used. So the answer the following question in one short sentence. This is part of your prompt. All this section is part of your prompt, and this is the question that gets taken from the iteration. And if you notice here, let me go this one, Ollama LLM. So this is the response that was generated by the assistant, which is the LLM itself. Let me click this expand graph. So runnable sequence, you have prompt template and your Ollama LLM. Let me click this one. Okay, again it will go back and show your prompt, whatever it is. Now let me see if there is any linked prompt or not. Okay, we don't have any linked prompts. This is the summary of the query that we sent and what was the response that was generated by the Ollama LLM. Now let me just close this here. So with this, we are almost at the end of our video. So let me go back to IDE here. So as part of basic tracing, what we have understood is we are able to view the prompt template and rendered prompt, and we got the LLM response, which we have seen in the MLflow UI. We have also seen the wall clock latency. If I just go back here, you will notice these are the latency that was taken. This is the wall clock latency here. So we are done with our first video, which is basic tracing with MLflow, Ollama and LangChain. So we'll see you in the next video, where we'll be discussing about agent tracing. So thank you for watching.